Okay, this is the latest toy. It's a Hardinge chucker lathe with an Omniturn table on it. And then it's a direct drive. Stay open there, door. And get some light on that. I think it's a 1.5-horse motor, 3-phase. And then on this post in the back is mounted this control unit. There's the inside. You take off the front panel. We're at the back here now, but you take off the front panel, and then inside is an old AT computer that runs MS-DOS. So we'll have to get that up and running and see what the deal is. See if we can get some music out of this thing. Oh, what was that all about?